Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to study a part of biology known as ovulation. We are going to study this topic with questions and answers for a better understanding. The first question we have here says, the release of egg cells from the ovary of a woman is best described as dash. A. Menstruation. B. Ovulation. C. Photolysis. D. Photosynthesis. In this question, the correct answer is B. Ovulation. This ovulation is the release of egg cells from the ovary of a woman. The next question says, the egg cells released by the ovaries of women are also called dash. A. Ova. B. Enzyme. C. Pollen. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Ova. So ova are egg cells produced and released by the ovaries of women. The next question says, the process whereby egg cells are produced in the ovary is best described as dash. A. Oogenesis. B. Osmosis. C. Diffusion. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Oogenesis. This oogenesis is the process whereby egg cells are produced in the ovary. The next question says, a structure in the ovary that nourishes and protects egg cells is called dash. A. Endocarp. B. Ova. C. Graafian follicle. D. Mesocarp. In this question, the correct answer is C. Graafian follicle. Graafian follicle is a structure in the ovary that provides nourishment and protection to the egg cells in the ovary. So the egg cells are nourished and protected by this structure known as Graafian follicle. The next question says, which of the following affects oogenesis? A. Hormonal imbalance. B. Disease. C. Stress. D. All of the above. In this question, the correct answer is D. All of the above. There are many factors that affect egg cell production. There are many factors that affect oogenesis. These factors include hormonal imbalance. Studies have shown that when hormones are not balanced in the body system of a female human being, it can affect the production of egg cells. Disease condition can also expose egg cell production to danger. Disease can affect egg cell production negatively. Studies have shown in human physiology that when an individual is exposed to high stressful conditions, egg cell production can be affected. All these things are factors that affect oogenesis. The next question says, an egg is viable for only dash after ovulation. A. 24 hours. B. 72 hours. C. 150 hours. D. 135 hours. In this question, the correct answer is A. 24 hours. Studies have shown that when the egg cell is released, it will only survive in the body after 12 to 24 hours. So after 24 hours, the egg cell will die. and when they die, they will not do anything again in the body system of that woman. So egg cells remain viable for the period of 12 to 24 hours. The next question says, the bursting of the Graafian follicle is to dash mature eggs. A. To preserve mature eggs. B. To release mature eggs. C. To increase mature eggs. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is B. To release mature eggs. The Graafian follicle contains the egg cells. So when the egg cells mature, the Graafian follicles will burst in order to release the egg cells. So the process whereby the egg cells are released is now called ovulation. The next question says, after ovulation, the Graafian follicle in the ovary develops into a yellow body called dash. A. Corpus luteum. B. Epithelium. C. Cilium. D. Pseudopodia. In this question, the correct answer is A. Corpus luteum. The corpus luteum is the structure that forms after ovulation. After ovulation, the Graafian follicle will undergo some changes to develop a yellow substance called corpus luteum. The next question says, the hormone produced in the corpus luteum is called dash. A. Adrenaline. B. Thyroxine. C. Progesterone. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is C. Progesterone. There is a hormone called progesterone, and studies have shown that this hormone helps to maintain pregnancy, and because of the fact that it plays a great role in implantation and keeping the pregnancy, this hormone is regarded as a pregnancy hormone. In one of our videos, we have treated a lot of things. We have treated these hormones very well. So this hormone called progesterone is produced in this structure known as corpus luteum. If anything goes wrong in this structure called corpus luteum, there will be a serious problem in production of this hormone known as progesterone, and definitely pregnancy will now be affected negatively. The next question says, which of the following is a sign of ovulation? A. Breast swelling. B. Vaginal discharge. C. Change in body temperature. D. All of the above. In this question, the correct answer is D. All of the above. All these options are signs of ovulation. When ovulation is taking place in a woman, studies have shown that there will be breast swelling, there will be vaginal discharge, there will be change in body temperature, and other things. The next question says, ovulation is regulated by hormonal fluctuations. A. True. B. False. C. All of the above. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. True. So studies have shown that ovulation is highly controlled by hormonal changes in the body of a woman. The next question says, Which of the following affects ovulation? A. Age. B. Hormonal imbalance. C. Stress. D. All of the above. In this question, the correct answer is D. All of the above. There are many factors that affect ovulation. These factors include age. Studies have shown that when people advance so much in age, at old age, ovulation will stop. So age is one of the factors that affect ovulation seriously. Studies have also shown that hormonal imbalance can affect ovulation. If an individual is subjected to stressful condition, that stress can affect ovulation. All these things are factors that affect ovulation seriously. The next question says, body weight affects ovulation seriously. A. True. B. False. C. All of the above. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. True. So body weight affects ovulation seriously. When there is overweight or underweight, all these things can affect ovulation. The next question says, the permanent end of menstrual flow naturally in a woman is best described as dash. A. Menopause. B. Humidity. C. Genetics. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Menopause. This menopause marks the end of the menstrual flow naturally in a woman. Once a woman attains her menopause stage of life, ovulation will cease and menstruation will also cease. If this is the first time you are watching our video, if this is the first time you are joining this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you can study other topics that we have treated in many of our videos. You can also make your comments on this video.